Hello guys, come back. Today's video going to show you here about to help you about to know and understand how we can actually start to make an international transfer on what we are going to have through the situation that is about to be right now to be helpful through what we are going to know understand what we are going to be here through what we are going to know and see that is going to be about you already some things what we are going to understand through it on what we are going to know about it in this situation. So what we can see over here about to make the international payments of your conveyance through the internet banking 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Although outside the normal banking hours, your bank payment won't be sent until the following hour working day. Current account customers can also be making international payments through the TSB mobile banking app. That is all to help you.